Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla-tunity. Today I'd like to talk about the Model 3 touchscreen. Now, I went ahead and bought a screen protector for my Model 3, installed it, loved it, it came out great. We went ahead and went on a road trip and my wife fell in love with it and we went ahead and ordered another one. So today I'm going to show you how to install Elon Accessories touchscreen screen protector for the Model 3. Now, if you're like me, I actually was never a fan of screen protectors. I've never had one on my phone, never had one on my computer, and until about a week or so ago, I've never had one on my car. This product changed everything. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to first walk you through how to install it, and then we'll talk about why I like it so much. So come along with me, and we'll show you how easy this is. All right, before we go ahead and get started, first I want to show you, if you look at this close-up angle of my wife's screen, you'll see all of the fingerprints all over the place. Now, first step here, we're going to tap on the drive icon, bring us into the settings, we'll go to display, and we'll put the car into screen clean mode. So now you can really get a good sense for where all the fingerprints are, obviously along the bottom row, and all around the car settings and everything and everywhere in between. So first and foremost, this touchscreen actually does a remarkable job at handling the fingerprints that we seem to get all over our screens. So that's going to be your first thing. Now, the next thing you'll notice here, as I kind of move around, you can right there see my reflection, my face, my fingers I just pointed. So this screen protector being a matte finish will actually help with that as well. The reflections, the glare, those are all going to be gone, or for the most part. We'll say they're 99% removed. You'll see a little bit, but you really won't see any of those reflections. So it does a fantastic job with that. All right, so here's our full installation kit. With my install, I did not need everything included, so they kind of have you covered for anything you might run into, but you might not need to use everything, and don't worry if you don't have to use everything. So there's our screen cleaner, or cloth I should say, and we've got a dry cleaning wipe and a wet. In my car I only need the dry, but of course the wet's there if we need it, so we'll see what we see with my wife's car. You've got a dust absorber. We did need that in my car, so again we'll see if we need it, and then 3 guide stickers, so we've got those covered. And then last but not least, a card that'll help us work out the bubbles if we do end up with any. All right, step 1, we're going to use the cleaning wipe here, the dry cleaning wipe. So let's go ahead and get that out of the package. Again, you could see the fingerprints all over the screen in the dust, so we are just going to wipe that all down. We don't want to leave any behind. All right, it looks pretty good to me. Now, the secondary camera we have set up is showing that I still have some more over here. So let's go ahead and scrub that a little bit more. The instructions do, of course, say it's easier to do this during the day, and we are, in fact, doing this at night, of course. All right, let's try the wet one, which we didn't need in my car, over on that left-hand side. Try to get that pesky spot. It's right around here. Okay, we'll go back to the dry cloth. All right, that screen looks perfectly clean. All right, we're gonna move on to step 2. Step 2 is the guide stickers. So for this one, we're going to take the 3 guide stickers included, and we are going to connect them to the back of the screen and then just let them hang over. I should make mention that while doing this, we do want the air conditioning to be off in the car. You certainly don't want to have this flying all over the place. Okay. those are all set. All right, now comes the fun part. We're going to take our screen protector here, remove it from this wrap. You want the peel away side where this sticker is to be on the bottom right. So we'll go ahead and put that back into place. You don't have to worry about fingerprints on either side. There's a sticker, like I said, on the back. So everything's going to be all right for us. Now let's just do a couple final adjustments. And once we are satisfied that the screen protector is in fact in the right place, we're going to go ahead and fold over these stickers. Oh, see, it shifted while I was doing that, so we're just going to make a small adjustment back up. I might shift my hand a little bit toward the middle here to hold it better. All right, make sure it's good everywhere. Come down a little bit. All right, that looks perfect. Start from the middle, maybe. There we go. All right, so that one guide sticker lockdown, 2, and 3. So there you go. We are not going anywhere now. Make sure everything still looks like it's exactly where we want it. Everything looks good all around. All right, now the next step is actually a really smart step, and that is the lift and look step. So be really careful with this. When I did this first time in my car, the screen protector fell off, but you want to lift and look and see if there's going to be anything trapped. And you can see, actually, we did get a couple dust particles while we were doing that. So I'll go ahead and take the dry cloth again while we're here. Wipe them out of the way. Actually, just drag my finger across the screen, so let's make sure we don't trap that in there. So this step is critically important. Any dust particles, anything you get trapped under the screen are going to cause potential bubbles in the screen. So actually, you can see we got a couple dust particles here. What I'm going to do, I'll put that back down. We will use the dust absorber here. Dust absorber, fancy way of saying it's a sticker. So we'll take this sticker and we'll look wherever there's dust. We'll just kind of tap the screen. And do we see any more dust? A little bit right there. Couple tiny spots. I think we've got it. Then I like to wipe it down just one more time really gently, just to make sure there's no odd residue. All right, we look almost perfect. One little tiny spot down there. Okay. All right, so we are up to step 4 now, what they call peel and press. So we're going to do this really carefully. And at this point, we are going to start removing this sticker. Now, what we don't want to do, we don't want to touch the underside of the screen protector at this point. So it's okay if it slips and it goes back like that. Just try to hold from the edge. I kind of have my thumb resting on the side here. We don't want to touch the bottom of the screen protector. All right, now we're going to let the screen protector go back down. Using the guide stickers, it's going to fall right into place, and we're going to draw an imaginary line across the bottom, or sorry, across the middle. You can see the magic happen. It is literally filling in with some kind of magic self-adhesive, and literally looks fantastic. Now, in my car, I had a couple bubbles. This looks fantastic. Let's we'll get those guide stickers off and see if there's any bubbles to work out. Otherwise, we are done. We'll light up the screen and take a look at it. Let's go ahead and turn the screen back on and see what we see. All right, so there's our screen. Let's go ahead and get this camera up a little more level. I want to give you a look at it, or here, I'll go ahead and hold the camera and zoom in for you. So you could see, again, the screen is now crystal clear, sharp. There are no reflections. I'm literally panning the camera right in front of the screen. It's just doing a perfect job. So there you have it. That's the Elon Accessories Model 3 screen protector. It looks fantastic at night. We'll go ahead and give you another view here. During the day, equally fantastic. It's a crystal clear image. The glare is basically gone. And really, for me, one of the biggest things that I didn't even notice how bad it was getting, fingerprints, especially on this bottom row here. My car had tons of fingerprints, same for my wife's car. You saw when we were cleaning it. The resiliency to fingerprints, you're certainly going to get them, and that's why they give you the included cleaning cloth, but they are less frequent, less severe, and they wipe right off with the included cleaning cloth. So again, there you have it. That's the Model 3 screen protector by Elon Accessories. I think it's one of the best aftermarket modifications you could do to your car, hands down. If you're interested and you want to check it out, I've got a link directly in the description below. That'll bring you right to the product. And again, hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one, everyone. If you like this video and you'd like to see others like it, please always remember to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you leave me a comment, I make sure to read all of them. And hopefully you've seen I've taken a lot of your suggestions to improve the quality of the videos lately. So thanks again for all of your comments and great feedback. In addition, if you're going to be buying a new Tesla, now is the time. Please don't miss out, especially for U.S. customers, on the $7,500 federal tax credit. You must take delivery by 12/31 to qualify for the full credit. If you take delivery in January, you're going to lose out on half of that, as it goes down to $3,750. If you're going to go ahead and make that purchase, please use my referral code. It's Michael34469. That'll get you 6 months of free supercharging on any new Tesla vehicle purchase. As well, if you're purchasing online, you can actually click on the link in the description down below. That'll take care of the referral link for you, and that'll get you that supercharging credit. But if you're working with a sales associate in one of the Tesla showrooms, you can go ahead and give them that code. Again, Michael34469, and that'll take care of the supercharging credit for you. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye.